Assalamu alaikum. We complete our CRUD operation in the previous video. In this video, we will upload file to we will do it in this 6 step. First step, we will set up our front end to take the file, and then we will receive this file in the controller. And then we have to run this artisan storage link command, because we need to create symbolic link, and then we have to check with Postman it's successfully working or not. After Postman, we have to move to the front end because we already know it's working, and we have to use this encrypt multi-part form data to upload our file. So here let's first validate our file upload. Let's create another field in this array. We will accept image, accept any kind of file if you want, because here we need a student in the picture. For that, I just using image. And I am also specifying maximum file size. Okay, now we need to cache the file. Our validation is complete. For that, request file, this file method we need to use. This is file. Okay, we using if condition because we need to check first file already included or not, because if it is, because sometime user can upload without file. For that, and then file name, and we have to decorate this file name using this time function, because same file user can upload several times. For that, get client original name. We're getting original name and concat our time. We need our file path. We need our file path. For that, take variable file path, request file store as folder name. This is our folder storage upload. File name and public. Let's check first our file is uploading or not. Before that, please use this artisan command, php artisan storage link. This is our route. I set up here the Postman field. Let's check. Let's see our data, our file uploading, and it's also come to our target folder. Check again. Let's see our two file, and it is not conflicting with name because we use time function in the name field. So it's working fine. So now in our database we don't have any field to accept our data path. For that we need to create another column to accept our data path. For that we need to run this artisan command, php artisan make migration add column to student table. Okay, for adding new column to our desired table we need to run this command. It will create another file, migration file. This is our file already created. So let's go to database, migration, this file. So here we have to create another column. To do that in the same way, table string data field name is file, and we need to insert this after our address. Let's see, after address. For that we have to use here after, because we want to include our new column after address. So here is after, and here is our column name. This is after address. So our new column will be created after address. So let's run the migration, php artisan migrate, hit enter. New column has been created. Let's refresh. Let's see, it's created successfully. Now we need to insert our file path in under this column. So this is our file path. For that we have to go to the model, student model, and we must include our column name in this fillable array. Without including we can't upload our file path in the database. So please make sure, okay, this is our path and everything okay. Let's go to the postman and check. Our data has been created. Now we need to go to the database. For let's check first here in upload folder, data created. Now go to the refresh. It's working. Our path has come here, but this is come here actual path, temporary path. We need our domain path from this upload folder. For that we need to create data like this. I just created before. To reduce time I use here. Here is simple, same create method, and we have to specify every field under the array rule file, and here we have just to include file path, and everything is same. Okay, we include it. Go to the postman, send, create it, go to the database to check, refresh. Let's see, it's coming our actual path. We need this path, so it's working. We can check again, refresh. So now our backend is completely okay. In under this upload folder we upload our file. everything is okay. In the backend, it's time to move to our front end. So let's go to the resource folder. Under resource view, resource folder, view, admin, create component. Now create a new field for uploading file. Type is file. Okay, everything I change. Okay, it's done. Let's check in the browser. Student.create. Yes, it's appear for uploading file. Now it's time to check it's uploading successfully or not. File, open, create. It's coming error message. File must be an image. Maybe we do some mistake. Our backend is completely okay, so don't worry. Here we have to specify enc type multipart form data. Here we have to specify our multipart form data. We have. So now let's go. And this is the advantage of creating backend fast. Check. File, create. Yes, successfully it is created in the database. Let's see, here also CRUD, and check in the folder also. Yes, it is also appear. So we successfully done it from the backend, front end, everything, everywhere. We can create another one. Choose file. It's come. Okay, everything is okay in the database and in the folder also. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe and motivate me. Thank you. Best of luck.